I think the bike has overheated. अपने आप ही रब मार रहे हो. I'm the master of you right now. Bloody. Hi guys and welcome back to Bike with Girl. Today's motorcycle is a total screamer. ये देखो. This funky looking thing standing right here is a drag monster. It's actually won multiple races at multiple drag strips across the country. क्या दिखती है वीडू? Okay, so what is this thing right in front of me? This color explosion जो हो रहा है यहाँ पे क्या है? This is a 2007 Yamaha R6. It's a drag bike which I've already talked about. Now, what's interesting about this is that this body kit that it's wearing, these funky ass clothes it's wearing, was ordered from outside, of course, but it didn't need to be painted after it was put on the bike or after it was procured, basically. It came like that. What you've been waiting for, let's start her up. Bro, कहाँ जा रहे हो? क्या हो रहा है? अपने आप ही रब मार रहे हो? हैं? Just because you're one of the highest revving bikes doesn't mean you do your own thing, okay? I'm the master of you right now, bloody. लोग आएंगे बाबा. Loving watching how graceful these women are. Women are capable of so much, no? It's amazing. I used to do Bharatnatyam and Kathak as a child. I was forced to do it by my mother. And then I turned out to be this boy. No, yeah, I'm a chick, dude. But I always wanted to get back to it. I'm going to go find out if they do classes. Can I tell you, women, how graceful and absolutely stunning you all are? I've been watching you all since the time we've come here to shoot. But after seeing you all today, I think I really want to start again. I think I want to start again. So I ride motorcycles for a living. And yeah, and it's a very different, like, this is absolutely the other side of something to do with me. But I would actually like to learn this. So can I have some information from anybody? Okay.
And I'll give you my number, so then I can...
That's wonderful. That's yeah, tell me. So much. You guys are wonderful. Please keep doing this because it makes people's mornings. Lovely, bye.
I want to ride, but मेरा पैर ही नहीं पहुंचा.
अरे you wanna see? मेरा पैर कहाँ पहुँचता है, bro? See? Then, because if your legs move around a little bit, but you fall. So pick it up, quickly jump on it, and then there you go. There you go. So it's either side. That's how it goes. So don't worry, if you have to do it, you will tell yourself that, and then you'll be able to do it. I'm not kidding. If you do not tell yourself that, you will never do it. Take care. Bye guys. Bye-bye. Unfortunately, I think the bike has overheated. This is the third time that it has just conked off on us. Okay guys, so what has happened is that the bike yesterday kept like breaking down on us and stalling because it was overheating. So this is day 2 of coming back to this because I really wanted to show you something very special with this R6. Not this particular R6, this batch of R6s which was launched in 2006 by Yamaha. Now this very special thing about this is that this bike is a real screamer. It actually revs out to 15,800 RPM. Let me show you. Okay, let's show you. That was insane, dude. क्या था वो? Are you okay? मुझे डर लगने लगा कि यार ये C's V's explode नहीं हो जाए. बस I don't want that for this. But 15,800 RPM is, it's nuts, dude. It's insane. Anyway, the controversy behind this was that when this bike was launched in 2006, Yamaha claimed that this revs out all the way to 17,500 RPM, which was just like for 2006 and for even now, it's just a figure we can't imagine, right? But that was kind of a jhol. I'm not saying Yamaha did a jhol because they very sweetly came out with the whole truth of no, there's some issue here, the tacho is reading wrong, and then they kind of came out, published the numbers of 15,800 RPM, which is still insane. It's insane. So I think we're going to have to end our screaming session with this mad R6 today. मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आया. छोटा मतलब our session was small, but I had a lot of fun. And yeah, I hope you liked what we did in this video. Always nice meeting you guys in person. So whenever you see me, please come say hi like all these people did today. So anyway, the advice that I gave that girl about being short or being too tiny to ride these bikes, always remember it's in your mind. If you can tell yourself that you can do it and work towards it, you can do it. Subscribe, like, thank you for the love.